Hey, Spy Traders. Welcome back to another episode of Spy Trader, where we break down the latest happenings in the S&P 500. I'm your host, Chip Cashmore, and boy, do we have a lot to cover today. It's currently August 15th, 2024 at high noon, so let's dive right in. First up, a quick summary of today's highlights. The S&P 500 is continuing its positive momentum, up 1.7%. Thanks to strong retail sales and a drop in jobless claims, investors are feeling more confident about the economy. This has also boosted other major indices like the Nasdaq, up 2.3%, and the Dow Jones, up 1.3%. Even the Russell 2000 index, tracking small caps, jumped by 2.8%. Big winners in the S&P 500 today include Ulta Beauty, which surged by 11.3% after Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway disclosed a substantial stake in the company. Cisco Systems is up 6.9% on strong earnings, and Walmart shares climbed 6.5% after smashing earnings expectations and raising its full-year outlook. On the tech front, the trendy Magnificent Seven are still riding high. Nvidia is up 3%, Tesla soared by 6%, and Amazon added 4%. Looks like those big tech players are keeping their crown for now. In less exciting news, Cboe Global Markets and Fair Isaac Corp ended the day on a sour note, dipping 2.5% and 2.4% respectively. Now, let's get into some analysis and insights. The surge in retail sales by 1% is much above the expected 0.3%, showcasing the resilience of consumer spending. This is great news for investors, since consumer spending drives a substantial portion of economic growth. Also, the improvement in jobless claims, falling to 227K, much better than the anticipated 236K, suggests a healthy labor market. Strong employment numbers usually lead to higher consumer spending, creating a positive feedback loop for the economy. Tech stocks, especially in the S&P 500, continue to show strength. Nvidia, Tesla, and Amazon are leading the charge, indicating sustained investor confidence in the sector. This might be attributed to continuous advancements in tech and AI, providing long-term growth potential. Ulta Beauty's rise due to Berkshire Hathaway's investment points to a trend where big investor moves can significantly influence stock prices. This kind of backing usually signals strong long-term confidence. Regarding Cisco Systems, the strong earnings report helps offset concerns about its revenue drop year over year, with the company pivoting towards AI, which seems to be a future-proof strategy. Now here are my trading recommendations. 1. Stay bullish on tech. With Nvidia, Tesla, and Amazon showing robust performance, consider adding or holding tech stocks in your portfolio. Investor confidence remains high, and these companies have long-term growth catalysts like AI and electric vehicles. 2. Buy Ulta Beauty. Warren Buffett's endorsement through Berkshire Hathaway's stake is a significant stamp of approval. The company is performing well, and the beauty industry is resilient, with consumers continuing to spend on personal care. 3. Trade cautiously with Cisco. Although the earnings report was strong, the revenue decline and layoffs are red flags. If you're long-term bullish on AI, it could be worth the risk, but be aware of potential volatility. 4. Avoid Cboe Global Markets and Fair Isaac Corp for now. With their recent declines, it might be best to steer clear until there are signs of recovery or concrete positive news. And here's a little humor to lighten the financial stress. What do you call a banker without a job? A branch manager without a branch. In summary, strong retail sales and job numbers are supporting an optimistic market outlook. Tech remains a solid bet. Berkshire Hathaway's moves are worth watching, and while there are some laggards, the overall momentum looks positive. That's all for today's episode of Spy Trader. Keep those portfolios diversified and stay tuned for more updates. I've been Chip Cashmore, signing off. Catch you on the next trade.